So Rashi now tries to explain the answer we give Rav Papa. Now, what happens if a man says, he gives her the money and the woman says the text? So the Chum afraid not to allow this kedushin to take place. Why? Because if another guy comes along to the woman, Vikitsha, and wants to be Mekadesh her, and he says, here's the money, and she wants to be married to the guy, she may now need to get Mishneim from both husbands, from both men. Why? Shema, because maybe in the first case, Lahaya Shel Harishon Kedushin. Maybe the first Kedushin wasn't really very good. We're not sure. V'cholu Kitche Sheni. And the second Kedushin would be good. Well, we're not really sure, and therefore she would have to get a divorce from both husbands because we're not really sure if she's married. We're not really sure who she's married to. Oh, Shema, maybe Shal Rishon Kedushin. Maybe the first husband is really married to her, although Shal Sheni and not the second. The Chum, I'm not really sure if this procedure of where the man gives and the woman says the text, if it's really good Kedushin or not. And since they're not sure, and it can create all kinds of problems, because we're not 100% sure if it's a good Kedushin or not. If someone else wants to marry her, is she married to two guys at one time, or is she not married to two guys at one time? We're not really clear, so the Chum say, we're not making it happen. It doesn't work.